my name is Bill Bradley. I'm an extreme endurance athlete, and this is my motivational video. The topic of today's video is live your life in 24-hour blocks. Do you ever start thinking too much about the past? About things that have gone wrong in the past, when you've gone after your goals, gone after your dreams. Do you think about the future? What could possibly go wrong? What obstacles could be thrown at you? And you find yourself freezing up. You get worried and you freeze up. I know I've done this all before. What I found the best way to go after really giant goals, your really big dreams, is you have to chunk it down into 24-hour periods. You lay goals out, futuristic goals that go way out there to achieve these great things. But then when you wake up in the morning, you're going to maximize that 24-hour period in front of you. You're going to maximize this. You're going to squeeze every last drop out of that 24-hour period. Get done as much as you can of the work that is necessary to achieve that goal. If you have to do research or studying or training or work on your mental game, as far as visualizing, you gotta absolutely work that 24 hours like it's the only, at the end of that 24 hours, you're gonna die. That's how you gotta max it out. You're only alive for 24 hours, and you gotta achieve everything you can in that 24-hour period. Do you think if you go into that 24-hour period with that mindset, you might achieve some great things in life? Heck yeah, you're going to achieve some great things because you're going to maximize every day and live it like it's your last. Like this, boom, how can I squeeze in any more? Squeeze in any more. That's how you get great results. That's how you get great. You have to maximize every 24-hour period. I know I try to keep it dark. If I think back, if I try and go back, I'm going to try and keep it dark so I'm not thinking about anything negative. And if I try and go forward past 24 hours, I try and keep that dark too. So I focus on the day. I don't got this big blur of stuff that makes me all stressed out here or stuff that makes me stressed there. If you can just black out the forward, black out the future, black out the past, and stay focused right on your present, keep that all lit up in your brain, you will accomplish great things. That's what it takes. Yes! Stay focused on the 24 hours in front of your face, and you will achieve great things. Anyway, if you're interested, you can follow me on Facebook or Twitter. If you have a comment or a question, please put it in the YouTube comment section. And if you have an example to where you quit thinking about all these negative things in the future and negative things that have happened in the past, negative things that possibly happen in the future, and you've focused yourself to get the most out of every day, and you've achieved some great things, some great goals. I don't even care. Even small goals. Share it. I love it. It will inspire me and it will inspire other people. And if you're interested in having me talk to your team, your group, your company, your organization, you can email me at epicbillbradley@gmail.com and we will get you out some information. Thank you very much.